Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a chicken drumstick. It's a 4 pound in a weight, and I'm going to take the skin off, and then I'm going to make 2 cuts on each drumstick. I'm going to wash them well with the cold water. I'm going to use a Rotini pasta. So basically I'm going to make a chicken curry with Rotini pasta. It's very delicious recipe. Whenever I make this one, kids love it. Please try it and I'm sure you're going to like it. And without wasting time, let's start with the ingredients. Cumin powder, black pepper, salt, cumin seed, coriander powder, garam masala, dry cilantro, it's a dhania. Each one of them is 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 large green serrano chili, 7 garlic cloves, and 1 onion. I'm going to make a smooth paste. Also, I'm going to use 2 fresh tomatoes. Put the tomatoes into the food processor and we're going to make nice smooth puree. Olive oil for our tadka, and you can use any vegetable oil. And the Rotini is a 12 ounce. It's a 340 grams. I'm going to use 4 cup water, and you always can adjust according to your taste. I removed the skin. I made 2 cuts on each chicken drumstick and I drain the water. I'm going to use food processor. I bring green serrano chili. Onion I cut into 4 pieces. Ginger I cut into small pieces. Garlic cloves. We're going to make a nice smooth paste. That's it. It doesn't take that long. It's all done. Let's start tadka. I'm going to get a big pot and I'm going to start gas. And we're going to keep gas on high. I'm going to bring olive oil, 1/4 cup. If you add a little bit more or less, it's not going to hurt. I'm going to bring cumin seed, onion, garlic, ginger, and green chili. And we're going to cook it well. So mix it well, and we're going to saute our onion until it's nicely cooked. And I'll use the screen splatter so it won't splat the oil out. Cooking our tadka for 4 minutes. And now I'm going to bring the tomato puree. Mix it well. I'm going to cook on high gas for 1 minute. Cooking our tomatoes with the tadka for 1 minute. Now I'm going to bring all the spices: salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, black pepper, garam masala, and mix it well. And we're going to cook our spices along with our tadka for 1 more minute. Cooking our spices along with tadka for 1 minute. And now I'm going to bring the chicken. Our tadka is nicely cooked. If you see the oil start to ooze out. Mix it well. Once all the tadka is nicely incorporated with the chicken drumstick, we're going to bring our gas to medium and we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Cooking on a medium gas for 5 minutes, open the lid. Mix it well. After mixing it well, I'm going to bring my gas on high. Cook it for additional 5 minutes. Keep moving so it won't get burned at the bottom. Cooking our chicken on high gas with open lid for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to bring the Rotini. 4 cup water. And we're going to mix it well. So after mixing it well, we're going to bring our gas on medium and we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. Every 5 minutes, open it and stir it. So I'll cook it for 15 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for exactly 15 minutes. 2 times I opened it and I stirred it, closed it again. So I'm going to start the fan and open the lid. And we're going to mix it. It still needs cooking. After mixing it well, I'm going to bring the temperature to number 3 and we're going to cook additional 10 minutes. 5 minutes later, I'm going to open it and I'm going to make sure that it's not burned or it's not sticking at the bottom. So I'll cook it for 10 minutes on number 3 gas. Cooking on a medium low, number 3 for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to open the lid. Mix it. If you're cooking on a stainless steel pot, then the rotini tends to stick at the bottom. Rotini will stick at the bottom. But if you're cooking on a non-stick, then you won't see that problem. If we look at our chicken, if we look at the drumstick, the meat started to pull back, and if we break the chicken, and it nicely breaks away. So it's fully nicely cooked. I'm going to bring dry cilantro, dhania, and we're going to mix it well. After mixing it well, our dish is all ready, and I'm going to dish out. I'm going to turn off the gas, get my serving bowl. So I'm going to share with you. Our rotini pasta with chicken drumstick is already very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.